This is Popunder traffic. So if you've ever heard of Propeller ads and Plug Rush and Juicy ads and ExoClick and Zero Park and all these ones, they are the cheapest traffic sources in the world. You're literally paying for traffic that gets sent in the thousands, okay? $1 to $10 or less depending on the country and what traffic you're getting and what you're paying for. But you can send like the cheapest traffic in the world. And if you just have really cheap bids, I'll teach you how to do this. You can email me and learn how. But basically, guys, I'm telling you right now, there's nothing that's easier than this. You're spending money to make money in this scenario. It's like you spend $1 and you can make back $2 or more. That's the goal in marketing. Free traffic is obviously slower, but when you pay money to make money, you win. It's just that easy. And I've been doing this for a long time. It's one of the biggest things I keep secret is like how to make money with Popunder traffic, because it quite literally is the easiest to set up campaigns with. You don't have to make any ads, banner ads and video ads. You literally just have your link and all the traffic is just sent to your link. People do mistake clicks. It's called Popunder traffic. They do mistake clicks, then they get sent to your link, you make money. Okay, so you can send people to a Smartlink like this, and you could do dating, you could do cam offers, you could do mixed traffic where it's both. Basically, you want to split test all of this. It's Smartlink for a reason. It'll send traffic to the best offers that you can get conversions with, and you're just sending traffic. You're making money from Popunders as well, and back offers when people press the back button and stuff. So it's just crazy. And just from this right here, you can make a bunch of extra money that wouldn't be possible without it. So it's just crazy. So if you want to make like thousands of dollars a day, potentially, highly recommend you learn from me, basically. All right, guys, so this is Propeller ads right here, and I highly recommend this traffic source. You could do it for adult marketing or any form of CPA marketing that there is. You can literally promote top offers and just make crazy money when you know what you're doing here, because there are secrets to how to leverage this and do this. And you can use spy tools. You can check out the spy tool I recommend down below in the description. But I am telling you right now, like, I can literally just tell you exactly what to do. There's so much money here. No one knows what they're doing. And other traffic sources I do too, like banner traffic, video ad traffic, free traffic, content marketing. But this is literally the easiest money because it's literally just Popunder traffic. You just literally have your affiliate link and you put your affiliate link right here. And then there's secrets to how you go about other things like the countries you pick. And there's so many mistakes people make. And even the times a day that you're supposed to run the campaign for. So if you want to know exactly what to do, I highly recommend it, because it's just extra money for me and then it helps you make money. I'm only incentivized to share the secret stuff, you know, if you are willing to, you know, get the paid information, the mentorships, because that's where I actually share the most powerful stuff. This is basically priceless information, because give a man a fish, feed him for a day, teach a man to freaking fish, you're gonna feed him for a life. This is like teaching you how to fish. There are secrets to how to fish, and this is how. Every single time you spend $1, you're making a profit is the goal. The testing phase is super easy too. You're just testing like links, guys. You're not making ads, you're not making video ads, you're just testing links.
And let's go!